How gold IRAs work. The easy breakdown. Thinking about a gold IRA but not sure where to start? Here's how it works. First, you choose a custodian to set up your gold IRA. This custodian handles the paperwork and keeps your investment safe. Next, you can roll over an existing retirement account or add funds to purchase physical gold, like bars or coins, which is then securely stored in an IRS-approved depository. You still get all the tax advantages of a retirement account, and you know your savings are backed by something tangible. Interested in learning more? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com for a step-by-step guide on getting started with a gold IRA. Gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.